Alright guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This is what I call grail mail. This I've been waiting for over a month from AliExpress, and there is some epic stuff in here. Epic. You guys are just not gonna be prepared for what's in here. It's all new. Shit, if I can just open it, that'd be great. Shit. You see it says Lautie ACEDC. Ha ha ha. Gosh. And you know what? I could have opened this a long time ago, but I waited to open it with you guys. That's how much you mean to me. That's how much you mean to me. Come on, come on. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Oh my gosh. Okay. So there's a bunch of stuff in here. Oh my god. I'm not even gonna tell you how much this stuff cost me, because it's kind of sickening. Yeah. Oh, they got me a little actually no, I didn't get this from AliExpress. I got this from a dude on Facebook. He's a dealer. Yeah, he's a dealer. Not a drug dealer, or he deals in these fidget things. So basically you message him and you're like, hey, I want this. And he's like, okay, well, I'll get it for you. Okay, so first thing I want to try this black mirror thing. Okay, yes. So my friend Kev, aka Lefty EDC, said that this thing is the bomb, and I was like, I don't know, and he said, yes it is, and I'm like, oh. Usually whenever he like sells something he has and then buys it in Zerk, or says he's gonna buy it in Zerk, then that means he really likes it. What is that? Oh, bearings? Oh, this I need to mail to him. Okay. So this is the telephone dial by Black Mirror. I wonder if it comes with anything else. Oh, that's the little package it came in. Oh, okay, it's like a COA, number 2 out of 50, copper telephone dial. Okay. So, Kev said that this was the bomb. And I was like, I don't know, I hated that ratchet thing, the Hearthstone. All right, so let's see. What the hell? This bottom part. So what, you're just supposed to hold it this way? Oh, it could go either way. Oh, actually, feels a lot better in the left hand. That's probably why Kevin likes it so much. Oh, what am I doing here? Am I unscrewing? Now, I know you could take out whatever the ratchet thing in there is, but I don't want to do that. You can take it out and make it into a spinner, essentially, kind of like the the Lautie dealers. All right, so it's a nice size, feels good in the hand. Not sure if I like it yet, though. It does feel a lot better on this side. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's comfortable, makes a good noise. Definitely a stress reliever. See, it's a telephone dial. All you youngins wouldn't know what I'm talking about. Okay, what else did I order? So this, another one of my friends talked me into. This guy is a big collector, and he has like everything. because he has everything, I trust him when he says something's good. And now, you guys know I like sliders. You've seen a couple of these Cosmo products that I've reviewed before. This one is actually a slider. The other ones were like those other, like the square ones. I think this one's, it's not brand new. I know it's not brand new. Come on. What the hell? But he wasn't supposed to give me a brand new one. What? He was supposed to give me one that was like beat up or something. My stupid cat is in the way. Move, cat. Okay. I don't know why he ended up giving me a new one. Jeez. Okay. Well, let's take a look, huh? I was told that this is a really good slider. Wow. Ooh, it's in Zerk. Feels nice. So this is Teflon. Oh, so this is probably around the same type of thing that the Robo is, Teflon. So these are another type of plate I can put in, but he said that the Teflon is the best. Wow, it's smooth, look at that. And then he also said there were some balls or something in there that move and make a weird sound. Wow, it's weird. I might have to switch out the plates to see which ones are better. No, I just bought a screwdriver kit. I could do it. No, I'm not gonna do that on camera. First, I mean, it feels good in the hand, but it's a little hard to push. And the sound is a little weird. See, it's hard to push. I wonder if this would make it easier. Let me just open this up and see what it is here. Oh, what? These are for the balls? Some balls? Sorry, I'm not even showing that on the camera. What is that? I don't really understand. This goes this way? Oh, yeah, right? What the hell? The problem with this shit is that it never comes with instructions. So are there supposed to be magnets here? What the hell? I don't understand. Maybe it goes in this way. Yeah, that's what probably happens. It goes in this way, and then you're supposed to put balls in here to slide it around. Yeah, probably. All right. I don't know if I like it. It's hard to push. I might have to put some tape or something on this thing. Maybe I have to break in these plates a little bit. Or is there tape already on it? No? All right, well, I'm boring you guys. I'm gonna have to go to the next thing. I'm gonna have to spend some time with this thing. It looks cool. It doesn't slide the greatest, so far, neither one of these things is the best. But again, first impressions. Okay, I have high hopes for the other ones. This one I'm gonna do last. I don't even remember what the hell this is. Oh, yes. Wait, do I remember what this is? Shit, I don't even remember what I ordered. ACEDC? What the hell hell was this? Is it bad that I don't even know what it is? Oh, yes. Oh my God, I forgot about this thing. The Milkia. Oh my gosh. In bronze. This thing's heavy as fuck. Wow. Oh man. Wow. Wow. God, that feels so good. Oh man, look at that. Oh God. Oh man, this thing is freaking amazing. This is definitely Grail. Oh my God. So the way it works is this guy on this end can move in any direction, and then it can slide forward and back. So, see? And then this is also a haptic coin over here, so you can actually replace this with anything you want. You can actually also change out the inserts. But, oh shit. Oh. This looks like the TK EDC thing that Lefty EDC showed me today. That was in his tiger slide or lion slider. It's like a bearing, and that's how it. See, we were comparing. Remember that dog's slider by TK EDC? I said I didn't like it too much. But his slider was the lion one, and it was also by TK EDC. But his had this bearing on there, so that would definitely make it much better. Go bigger. Highly, highly, highly recommend. This thing's amazing. Oh my God, and it's heavy. Oh my God. Okay, now, so this. Oh my God, I've been wanting one with these. Oh my God, I've been wanting one of these. Do you guys know what this is? This is an essential part of everybody's collection. Heard it's great, never touched one. Got some stickers. Got a little tool. Oh my God. Look at that. It's the shuffle. It's the shuffle. Oh my God. So a pair of kings in copper and bronze, I guess. Brass. Wow. This thing's heavy. Now I've heard a lot about this. I heard that it's a clicker. Well, let's, wait, how do I do that? Oh. Oh, okay. Now, obviously this is not new. This guy who I buy stuff with, sometimes he sells used stuff, but I save a lot of money. This thing has a lot of magnet strength to it. This is actually the second iteration of this. The first one I think didn't have two. This freaking cat. Let's zoom in. Number 1629. Lautie. I love the two-tone. Yeah, in the past the other two-tone ones were like $300. This one I got a good deal on. It's supposed to be a clicker too, but it's not really working. Okay, so it's awkward. All right. I will say they're beautiful. But a fidget needs, oh, there we go. I was gonna say a fidget needs to be able to work single-handedly. So, but I guess it's gonna take me a little bit of practice. It's kind of hard to separate them. Oh, maybe I'm just tired. It's kind of late. Okay, let's look at the spoils. Okay, so first and foremost, without even thinking, this thing is amazing. Do not ever hesitate. Now, this was way cheaper than the other ones out. Like there's ones that are like Zerk and stuff, and those are like $700 or $800. I actually got this one for like $240, I think, which is actually great for a Milkia. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, so that's definitely number one. I would say this one's probably number two because just of, well, I like the sound it makes. I just gotta practice with it. The magnets are really strong, so to get it apart takes a little bit of work. But it's got a nice amount of grip. God, it is beautiful, isn't it? Let's try left-handed again. Yeah, actually, it's a little bit easier left-handed because I think I'm just gonna have to break it in a little bit. This thing's awesome. It is awesome. Is it as awesome as I thought it would be? No. It doesn't click. It's supposed to click. But anyway, I don't think it actually was supposed to click. I think that that was just a byproduct. And this is the second version of it, so it's not the same as the other ones. Maybe it doesn't click because there's actually two lines up here where there only used to be one. So, but I'm looking forward to the patina this thing's gonna be on. Isn't it beautiful? Okay. So then we have these guys. I don't know yet. Right off the bat, would I recommend it? I don't know. Maybe. I'm gonna have to spend some time with it. I mean, it's satisfying listening to that and feeling the haptic feedback, but when I'm going lefty, it unscrews this little guy here. I don't want that. I do like the fact that it can go either way. I wonder what these bearings are. These bearings are supposed to be for lefty ACEDC, so I don't know. But I thought this thing was supposed to come with different ones to make it. No, maybe it didn't come with different ones. Cat, go! Go, cat. Okay. I don't know if I would recommend this right off the bat. It's giving me PTSD of the Hearthstone. I like going lefty with it, but all right, well, I'm gonna have to spend some time with it. Right off the bat, I don't know if I would recommend it. It's not that easy to spin, and I don't know, it's expensive. This thing, beautiful. It's Zerk. It's polished Zerk, so it feels really, really good. But the sliding action is weird. I'm gonna have to talk to my friend and see, do I have to break it in? I mean, it feels really comfortable. I'd say the only thing is that it's hard to push, but maybe I have to break in these plates a little bit. What I like about it is you don't pinch your skin. That's nice. It's a nice size too. Like here's my Robo, similar. But if you can hear, there's like these balls that roll around in there or something. It's hard to push. I wonder if you could, oh God, why is it so hard to push? If it was just easier to push, everything would be better. Can I open it up and take out the balls? Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit. I like the design and everything, but I don't understand why it's not sliding well. Maybe I just need to break these in a little bit. Anyway, so definitely recommend, but do not, I don't know. I would have to, in order for me to make a full decision on this thing, I'd have to know how the first one felt. So I know that there's a difference. It's just harder to use than I thought it would be. So that gives you the question, do you buy something just for aesthetics or functionality? Because this thing is aesthetically pleasing, but is it functional? Maybe. I need to play with it. All right, so I'm gonna have to readdress these. I'm gonna have to come back to you on these. These I would say, yeah, definitely this one. This one, go ahead, but don't spend a ton of money on it. And then this, I don't know. If this was smoother, I would say hell yeah. And then I'm not sure about this guy. I'll spend some money on it. Do any of you guys want this? I spent $180 on it. And of course, people are gonna put in the comments, oh, why did you waste all your money? It's my money. I do what I want with it. Yeah, let me know, guys. Do you want to buy it? 180 bucks? 170 maybe? Do you have something to trade me? I don't know if I want to keep it. I don't know. I can't believe Lefty ACEDC said this was so good. I'm really making the case to sell this, aren't I? Yeah. And then this one, not ready to give it up just yet. I gotta talk to my friend about these plates and also see if I can manipulate them in any way. So anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and shoot me a comment below. Tell me how much money I'm wasting. You guys don't see those comments a lot because I just delete them. But anyways, have a great night, guys.